Let's talk about self-custody and the importance of it. Maybe you don't even know what self-custody means. I can tell you it is one of the most critical things to do moving forward if you are interested in crypto, and you should be, because crypto means you have ownership over your asset. The whole conversation is really about cutting out the banks, because the banks, for the most part, do not have our best interest at heart. They're basically a middleman that leverages your money to lend it out and then earn a lot of money with your money without giving you a cut. So it makes sense that we don't like that. What is happening right now with the adoption of crypto and also more specifically stablecoins is that we have a very unique opportunity really in the world's history to be our own bank. We as citizens, we as business people, we as individuals who want to exchange money for goods or services, we can now do that at a large scale by sending each other crypto directly from one person to another, peer-to-peer as we call it. And we can do that without any middleman, without any payment processors, without any banks. And that is what crypto was really designed for. It was not necessarily designed for big institutional players to come in and buy up all the crypto. Although that is happening now, and yes, in a way we cannot have mass adoption without having mass adoption. But it is very, very important for you to understand that crypto is freedom. And in order for us to enjoy the freedom, we need to hold our crypto in our own wallets. Of course, those are electronic wallets, they're not physical wallets, but they are our own wallets, meaning you don't keep your crypto on the exchange like Coinbase or Kraken or wherever you may buy your crypto. That is unfortunately where you have to start your journey. You have to buy it somewhere, unless you mine your crypto yourself, which is something I am doing. But most people don't do that, which is okay. You buy your crypto on an exchange, and then as soon as you can, you bring it into self-custody. And once you have it in self-custody, you now have financial sovereignty. One thing that I am a little bit worried about is how long are we still allowed to bring crypto into self-custody, or how long will it be relatively easy to do so? Is there going to be a point in time where you have to say have a certain certificate or license to have crypto in self-custody? Because you know what the government likes to do. They like to come up with rules that are there to quote unquote protect you, but what it really means is those rules are there to protect the rich, to protect the banks, to protect the big establishment, and I hope that will not come that far. Actually, with the current administration in the United States, we have a very pro-crypto and pro-self-custody government. But I don't know if that is going to be like that forever. I also don't know if that is going to stay like that throughout the world. Which means for you, on-ramp now, buy your crypto now and bring it into self-custody. Start paying your clients and your employees directly with crypto, peer-to-peer. This is how you can guarantee that once, and I truly believe that will happen, once Bitcoin is on par as a store of value, as a reserve asset for nations, for governments, for cities, for rich individuals, for normal citizens. Once we are there, you have an asset in self-custody that is worth the money that you deserve, that is not eaten away by inflation, and that is not controlled by a big brother, by a big government. Trust me, it is not as difficult as you think. I have courses that teach you how to buy your crypto safely, and then how to transfer it safely to a self-custody wallet. I think there's a very unique time in history where we witness this wealth transfer from the blockchain, from banking and from dual accounting to the blockchain, from centralized to decentralized. And I want you to be part of that. It's very imperative that you do not miss out, because it may just be the very thing that will give you financial freedom, financial sovereignty, time freedom, location freedom. Just like I am already enjoying this. If you see my videos, you will notice they're always at a different location. Right now, here in Amsterdam, at this beautiful square. Just a week ago, I came to you from the Venetian, from Las Vegas. And this is something that I want for you. So again, it is the right time. I'm not saying you have to do it today or tomorrow, but I'm saying that within the next 1 to 3 years, that's like this golden opportunity that you should not miss. Anyway, I think you're getting the point. Buy crypto, bring it into self-custody, familiarize yourselves, and be sovereign. I'll see you in my next video.